guys, I have a mini review for you guys, and this is on the Tarte C Hydroflex foundation. I am in the shade Medium Sand 32S. I was sent this for review purpose, and this is their serum foundation. So you're supposed to shake this well. It's more of a liquidy formula, and I will start showing the demo around here so you guys can see me actually trying it on. This does come with 1 fluid ounce. I will have price points and any other additional information down below. What they claim is that this has a medium coverage. It has Hydroflex technology, so it blurs the appearance of lines. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, niacinamide to help calm and hydrate. So it's basically like a 2-in-1 where it's a foundation and a skincare all in one. And they say that it's also dermatologist tested, cruelty free, vegan, and it doesn't say anything much else. Anyways, it does come in a dropper kind of form, and they do have available this brush as well. It's just like a flat top kabuki, and you can just like buff it in. I do really like the color of like the whole theme of it all. Overall, I have to say, I think this is a really nice foundation. It looks really nice and natural on the skin. You can go from very light coverage to almost like a medium coverage depending on how much you apply. And I love the fact that it looks just very skin-like on the skin. It dries down very beautifully on the skin. And I have to say, it lasted probably like 8 to 9 hours before it started breaking down at work, which is pretty good for a serum foundation just because most serum foundations don't really last that long. But I do say that I used primer and I did set it into place. So I do recommend, if you want this to wear longer, to actually prep your skin and actually set it with powder as well. Overall, I do really enjoy this foundation. I feel like it looks very beautiful on. If you want full coverage, obviously this isn't for you because you are not going to get that from this. But if you want something light, very nice, and just very hydrating on the skin and nice, I feel like you will really enjoy this. A lot of brands are coming out with a lot of these serum or tinted looking foundations, and I feel like a lot of makeup is going more towards that natural kind of look, not always being like so full on cake face, like full on glam. So I really enjoy these serum foundations. I feel like they're really nice for the everyday, to go to work, because you don't always want to be like full on glam to work. And I feel like this is what is really nice to go to work, have a little bit of coverage on your skin for those imperfections, but look really nice at the same time. If you've tried this, let me know what your thoughts are. Like I said, it's not super long wearing. If you're gonna be out like in super heat and, you know, doing way too much, this probably won't last. But I feel like for my work day, for 8 to 9 hours, that's pretty good, you know, for it to stay. So if you were someone who touched up your makeup, then this would probably last a little longer. I'm not one of those people who takes anything with me to work, so that's basically where I find, like, you know, I started seeing like breakdown and like it starting to fade away in certain areas. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down below. I've been trying to be like on top of my comments and really comment back to you guys, and I'd love to hear your opinion if you've tried this. Oh, and my little opinion on the brush, it's a really nice brush. I know that most of the times like high-end brands usually price their brushes a little bit more, so I feel like it is a really nice brush. It does what most flat top kabukis do, where it's really nice to blend everything in. Do I feel like it's absolutely like necessary? I feel like if you already have a flat top kabuki in your collection, you don't necessarily need this one. If you like the color, the handle, and like a good synthetic brush, it is a nice one to try as well. So that is all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, you can hit that little button subscribe. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.